What's up, everybody? Tonight we're going to make pork tenderloin medallions with a cherry tomato and white wine pan sauce. So, cheers and let's cook. The first thing we're going to do is clean up our pork tenderloin. And guys, I did already square up this edge over here. I'm going to do the same thing to this side over here just so I got a nice flat surface. I'm going to save both of my ends and I'll just fry that up with some eggs in the morning or something. The only thing else we have to do, we got some silver skin here that we need to remove, because no matter how you cook that, you're never going to be able to chew that stuff. So what I like to do is get my knife underneath it as close as possible. You want your blade facing up a little bit so you're not cutting down into your meat. Get that out of there without losing as much meat as possible. Just get rid of all that silver skin. A little more over here. Tiny bit right there. Now we'll cut the medallions. I'm going to do about 2-finger medallions, about that for each one. About 1 inch thick. Those are looking good. Now before we go to the stove, I'm going to just season up each side of these with some salt and some pepper. Just pat that on. Flip it over. And we are ready to start cooking. At the stove, I got a pan heating up over high heat. To that, I'm going to add a tablespoon and a half, maybe 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to let that oil heat up. That oil is nice and hot. Now I'm going to start going in my medallions. And I'm going to sear each side of these guys for about 3 minutes. Get a nice sear on both sides. I got my medallions resting. Now, my pan back on medium heat. I'm going to drop about a tablespoon of butter into that pan and let that melt. Butter is melted. I'm going to go in with 1 minced shallot, as well as 3 cloves of minced garlic. We'll just saute those in that butter until they're nice and soft. Let those go for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to go in with 1 cup of cherry tomatoes I just cut in half. We'll saute that. So we're going to give that a little seasoning, some salt, a little pepper. And we'll saute those until those cherry tomatoes start breaking down. It has been about 5 minutes. Our cherry tomatoes are breaking down nicely, getting nice and soft. I'm going to go in with half a cup of white wine. I'm going to turn my heat up to high. Just simmer off that alcohol and reduce my wine. Our wine has reduced nicely, thickened up a little bit, so now I'm going to go in with 1 cup of chicken stock I'm going to bring that to a simmer and let that reduce as well. Our stock has reduced nicely. So now I just tasted it. It needs a little bit more salt. Stir that in. And now I'm going to turn that down to low. Finish that. We go in about 4 or 5 basil leaves, chiffonade. You just roll those up and slice them up. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cold butter. Stir that in. That butter's melted, it's nice and emulsified. So now we're just going to go back in the pork tenderloin medallions. Give those just a second in that sauce to heat back up. We are going to be ready to eat. So we got some beautiful pork tenderloin medallions here. They are super juicy, super tender, in a delicious little pan sauce. Guys, it's super easy to make, doesn't take a lot of time. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.